how to create a professional LinkedIn account. So, by the way, what is this LinkedIn that I'm talking about? LinkedIn is a professional networking platform designed to help individuals connect with colleagues, industry peers, and potential employers. So it launched in 2003 and it allows users to create profiles that showcase their work experience, skills, education, and professional achievements. So to start, you just have to go to any web browser and then type LinkedIn, and you can create an account using your Google account, using your email address. So basically, for me, the easiest way to create an account is connect my Google account to my LinkedIn account. So everything is up to you. You could also create your account using your email address, or there are other ways also here to create LinkedIn. So the key features of LinkedIn include networking, job search, content sharing, skill endorsement, and recommendations, also learning opportunities. Let's go back on how to create a professional LinkedIn profile. Number one is getting some inspiring LinkedIn profiles from other people so you can explore for ideas on enhancing your own presence on the platform. Some of the well known and famous people with amazing LinkedIn profile are the following: Eric Partaker, Daniel Abrahams, and so on. This profiles demonstrates how to effectively use LinkedIn as a platform for sharing knowledge, engaging with followers, and building a personal brand. You can take inspiration from their styles, topics, and engagement strategies to enhance your own profile. But of course, it depends on your field or work. For example, if you're into marketing, so you have to search for people or profiles related to editor world. So, by examining various editor profiles on LinkedIn, you can or I can glean insights into how to effectively present my skills and experiences. So, this research will help you craft a profile that resonates with your target audience and reflects your professional identity. So, what I'm showing right now is an example profile of an editor. So, the advantage of searching for profiles as inspiration is that you can go and look for their profiles because they feature engaging headlines that clearly state their roles and specialties. The summary section should tell a story about their professional journey, detailing who they are, what they do, and what they aspire to achieve. If you go to experience section, you can check out how successful editors describe their roles. They often quantity their achievements and detail their responsibilities to provide a clear picture of their capabilities. Also, if you go to media and samples, many profiles incorporate media like documents, links to articles, or presentations showcase their work. You can also go to skills and endorsement. You can look for profiles that feature a well curated list of skills relevant to editing and content creation. Now, here's the thing: if you are a beginner and you want to create a professional banner or profile, I strongly suggest that you use Canva for editing. So, Canva is a very easy editing tool. Creating a professional banner and profile for LinkedIn using Canva is a straightforward process that allows you to present yourself effectively. So, all you have to do is to create your Canva and then look for LinkedIn profile templates. And as you can see, there are 10,000 templates here that you can use for your profile, specifically for LinkedIn. So for me as an editor, I want to look something like this. So let's just say I'm an editor or a voice actor and I want to promote myself. I want to have a profile like this. So this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to upload your picture. Let's just say this is my picture. I just have to drag it to the template and then I can add text, I can edit this, I can add heading, I can also add effects. Everything is up to you. But in order for you to create a professional and captivating profile for your LinkedIn, then you can use Canva, go to templates and look for LinkedIn profile. And all you have to do is to add your picture, replace the original picture with your picture, and then save. Also for banner, it's the same thing. You just have to go to the search icon and then type link in banner. and then press enter. Now you will see tons of LinkedIn banner templates here, and all you have to do is to pick one. So, like what I mentioned earlier, I am an editor, let's just say editor and voice actor. So, I just have to pick from any of this here. For example, this one. So, you just have to click this and then customize this template. You should also have your pictures with you, your images with you, so that it would be easier for you to upload and replace the images here in this template. So feel free to delete, to replace, to edit, to add. For example, I'm going to edit this and then type editor slash voice actor and then delete some unnecessary elements here or objects. Now I'm going to replace this picture with my picture, or let's just say I'm just going to add my picture rather. So this is my picture. I'm going to add it right here. And then I can add more elements or text. But for this tutorial, I just leave it this way. And then once done, tap share and then download. Go back to your LinkedIn. Go to your profile specifically and then change your profile here. Tap this plus icon to add your profile and then this camera icon to add your banner. Feel free to adjust and then wait for a couple of seconds and here it is. So basically you have created a professional profile picture and a banner. So to continue with promoting your skills and promoting your profile, you just have to add more information and details to your LinkedIn profile. So you can just add skills here. Like if you have tons of skills, you can add here. Remember that enhancing your LinkedIn profile with additional information can significantly improve your visibility and appeal to potential employers or clients. So your summary should be detailed. Your skills section, make sure to list skills that are not only relevant to your current position, but also reflect aspirations. So to highlight your details, what you're going to do is go to your profile and then go to core and then scroll down here and then click about. Okay, tap this one, click add about. And then here you can add everything about you, like a short information about your skills and your capabilities, short information about you. You can also add your skills below. And then after that, tap save. This is the information that your client can see once they visit your profile. So it's very important to put or to summarize all your skills, capabilities, and experience here. Just like promoting yourself in order for your client to get you to hire you. As easy as that. So basically, that's how important it is to create a professional LinkedIn account. Add your skills, detailed summary, experience, recommendations, media and portfolio, engage with content, professional development. So, by incorporating these elements into your LinkedIn profile, you can showcase your skills, capabilities, achievements, endorsements, and a lot more. And that's how easy it is to create a professional LinkedIn account. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.